It is the week before Christmas. Snow is falling outside. The small town is quiet and white. In a little house lives a boy named Tom. Tom is 8 years old. He has brown hair and blue eyes. Tom likes winter, but this year he feels a little sad. Tom has one big dream. He wants a dog. He wants a best friend. He wants someone to play with, someone to run with, and someone to love. But his family does not have much money. His mom always says, "Maybe one day, Tom." Not now. Tom smiles, but inside he feels lonely. Every night, Tom looks at the sky and makes the same wish. "Please, let me have a dog this Christmas." One cold morning, Tom walks to school. The wind is strong, and the snow is deep. Suddenly, he hears a little sound behind a tree. It is a small cry, like whimper, whimper. Tom stops. He looks around. Under the tree, he sees a tiny dog. The dog is white and brown. It is shaking from the cold. Tom kneels down. "Hello, little dog," he says softly. The dog looks at him with big, round eyes. Tom feels something warm in his heart. He takes off his scarf and wraps it around the dog. The dog licks Tom's hand. "Are you lost?" Tom asks. The dog gives a small bark, like it is trying to answer. Tom picks him up and holds him close. The dog is light and soft. Tom decides to take the dog home. When Tom arrives, his mom opens the door. She looks surprised. "Tom, what is this?" Tom explains everything. His mom listens and looks at the small dog. The dog looks back at her with kind eyes. His mom sighs, but she smiles. "Okay, Tom. The dog can stay for one night. We will look for its owner tomorrow." Tom is happy. The dog sleeps beside him that night. Tom gives him a name, Lucky. The next day, Tom and his mom try to find Lucky's owner. They ask neighbors. They check the town board. They call the animal shelter. But no one is looking for a dog like Lucky. Days pass. Christmas comes. Lucky is still with Tom. They play together every day. Tom has never felt so happy. Lucky follows him everywhere. On Christmas morning, there is a small box under the tree. Tom opens it. Inside, he sees a red collar with a little tag. The tag says, "Lucky, Tom's best friend." Tom looks at his mom with wide eyes. She hugs him and says, "Merry Christmas, Tom. Lucky is part of our family now." Tom cannot speak. He is too happy. Lucky jumps and barks with joy. This Christmas, Tom's dream comes true. He learns that real friendship is a gift, warm, loyal, and full of love.